This is for the 2016 Dodge Durango SXT, the 3.6. So if you ever replace any of the spark plugs on 1, 3, and 7, I forgot what the PO codes are. You got to take off the air box, and then it's usually just hose clamps. That hose clamp, and that sensor. I don't know what the other name of the sensor is at the time right now. You just she goes this way, and then you just work the hose clamps off after you take off the beauty cover. And use a hex screw to take out the screw that holds. That's right here. That holds the beauty cover down. And those are the holes for your spark plugs 1, 3, and 7. 1, 3. No, this is 6 on it, so it's 1, 3, and 5. To get to these two, it's easy. 1 and 3. And then to get to 5, this bracket has a screw right here that you can get a small 10mm socket. A small 10mm socket in there. And remove the screw so you have access to get 5 out. Hell, while you're in there, you got this all off, you can also clean this out too, the throttle body. Get some throttle body cleaner, spray in there, clean all that gunk out so you can, if you have a rough idle. So that's, again, the spark plug boots are like this. This is a 10mm also. They sit in the spark plug well, like that. All right. To get the boot off, to get the electrode off, the connection. All right. Take a screwdriver, flathead, push back, and when it separates the connection there, yep. You need 2 hands for this, because you push back and down and then work it off. I gotta have 2 hands to do it. I'm not gonna do it. I don't want to break it. All right, and then you just put it back when you're done. So it's 1, 3, 5, and 1, 3, and 5. I'm so used to V8. 1, 3, and 5. Bank 1, bank 3, bank 5. Yeah, that's basically it for the 2016 Dodge Durango. I don't know what it is. If it's different for there's a 3.6, so I don't know if it's the same for the for any other engine. But for the 3.6, the ductwork covers 1, 3, 5, and to get to the other side, you got to take these screws all off, all around that's holding the cowling cover, I believe. I don't remember the name of this thing, but yeah, this is a pain in the ass to take off, because there's a bracket right there, right here. This bracket is I didn't put the screw back in there because I did not want to fight this thing and put it back. But because I've taken this off already, you have to take a lot of stuff off to get to this side. One of these days I'll do it.